2 minus 4 bracket 3 minus 1. This will give us negative 2 times 3 minus 1 is going to give us 2. Negative 2 times 2 is going to give us negative 4. But this is wrong because according to order of operation, PEMDAS, we have to first of all solve what is inside this bracket before we follow division, multiplication, and subtraction. So if we follow this order, we have to do this first. 3 minus 1 is give us 2. Don't forget there's an invisible multiplication here. So we have to put it. Now we have one multiplication and one subtraction. So 4 times 2, we have to do this multiplication first. 4 times 2 is going to give us 8. 2 minus 8 is equals to what? Negative 6. And this is the final answer.